Hey friends, welcome in. It is Rebecca and I wanted to share my newest warmer with you. So this came in maybe about a week ago, but I've been extremely busy, and so I said, you know what? We are at the end of the month. I got to show my friends my newest warmer because this warmer is the newest warmer for next month. Basically our featured warmer. Every month, Scentsy has a new warmer and a wax bar that they showcase. And so this is going to be it, Veiled Meadow. And I figured this would look really cute somewhere in the home. I was going to put it in the bathroom, but I've decided it's too pretty for the bathroom. So it might just go back there by the media center. So anyway, so I'm going to show you the warmer, and then I will share you the wax bar, share with you the wax bar. So I did take it out already to save some time. But if you are watching me live, come on in, say hello. Replay watchers, drop a butterfly emoji. And let me know if it's snowing by you or not, because it looks like it's starting to snow again. It's pretty to look at, but it's bitter cold and it's not fun to walk in, for me at least. So you are going to get a 25-watt bulb. This one has a little, oh, I don't know what that is, but it might be just some plastic. So you're going to get the bulb. Let me show you the warmer. It's a small compact warmer, but I do like the fact that it is a glass one. Glass and ceramic are my favorite warmers. So inside there, you're going to go ahead and put your bulb in. So this is a 2-dish warmer, I believe. I prefer the 4-dish warmers, to be honest, because I like to go big with the wax, okay? So, all right, it is a 25-watt bulb warmer. So let me get the dish, and then let me share the cute little new packaging with you all. I love it. All right, and with this, they have their core values, which is simplicity, which I absolutely love. Simplicity, authenticity, and generosity. And then the mission is to bring value to the world by providing industry-leading, family-friendly business opportunities, selling creative, artistic, high-quality products that warm the heart, enliven the senses, and inspire the soul. So that's nice. So if you are watching and you're commenting, I may not be able to see them, so let me see if I can comment myself. We'll just say Happy Friday. And see if I see that. I see that one. All right. Hey, Christian, how are you doing? Christian. I always say Christian for some reason. My apologies. Kristen, welcome, welcome. All right. So this is the warmer that is newest to my addition to the family. So it is going to be so pretty when I do plug this in. So right now it's kind of like, what are you looking at? Just some tan sand. It is grainy. It does have like sandy effect to it, but it's so pretty. I think it would look good in my bathroom because I have like a botanical theme going on with the shower curtain. But it's got butterflies, and you know me, I love my butterflies. So it's got butterflies and nature inspired. So pretty. When I am done with this video, I will go ahead and drop some pictures in the comment section so you can see. You could always even go check it out right now. Good, I'm so glad to see you here. You can always go check out my website, bossbecca.com, and you could see Scent of the Month, and you'll see it. This is coming out the 1st of February at 2 a.m. Central. I am accepting pre-orders like always, bossbecca.com, but this is the little warmer, and I believe it is a 2-dish. Now, if you're new to Scentsy, one thing that I love about our product line is that we have a lifetime guarantee warranty on all of your wax, not on your wax, I'm sorry, on all of your warmers. Oh, it is a 4-cuber. Oh, yes. So on the bottom of your dish, you're going to see a number. I've never seen a 1, but usually I see a 2, 3, or a 4. So this is a 4 cuber, meaning when you go to warm your wax, you can put up to 4 cubes. 4 cubes would be the maximum scent throw. You could do 2. I don't like to do 2. I like to do a full bar of wax when I choose whatever fragrance that I'm doing. So this is the fragrance Pink Peony and Pear, which is also going to be debuted starting the 1st. It's going to be available all month of February while supplies last at 10% off. And I believe February 1st is also our transition month. So I believe every single product line is going, every single product that we have is going to be 10% off. And I'm sure you could double stack coupons too. So I'll let you know about that. But this is the warmer. This is the wax. Oh my gosh. See, you don't have to be perfect to be a consultant. So if you've been thinking of joining me, join. It's $49 up until tomorrow, unless they extend it. But you don't have to be perfect. And I never want to be perfect because I want my friends that are looking at me to say, hey, I can do it too. I can mess up my words. I can do lives. So there you have it. But anyways, so this is the warmer. It's going to be on sale for $49.50 starting February 1st. I do have wax bars on hand if anybody wants to grab them from me versus waiting to place the order on the 1st. I do have some available. I've been enjoying this fragrance. So this is a Pink Peony and Pear. It's a very pretty light pink wax, almost kind of like a dusty rose. And so this is a bar of wax. We sell them buy 5, get 1 free if you put the order through me. If you just go on my website, you are going to get 10% off, but you have to have 6 bars. If you only get 5 bars, you're paying full price. So get 6 bars. All right. So this is a full bar of wax. And each cube is going to give you about 8 to 12 hours of throw time. Throw means like how it kind of fragrances your house. So I have enjoyed this bar. I have went through 2 of these. I do usually what I've been warming over on my YouTube channel. So if you aren't following me over there, comment YouTube and I'll direct you to my YouTube channel. And then you can get my warm reviews of what I've been using. And I went through two full bars of this and it is just so pretty. Fragrance notes on this are going to be Pink Peony, Anjou Pear, and Freesia. Now, as I said before in my other video, I thought that was a weird combination, fruit and flowers, but I think they really did good on this one. It's a very light fragrance. I would say light to medium. I did warm this in here in the open concept and in the bathrooms, and it performed really good. I did get a couple days worth out of the full bar. Sometimes it's a hit or miss when it comes to Scentsy fragrance bars. Some of them are too light, like that bergamot and tuberose that we have right now out of the Valentine's Day collection. Some people are saying it performs great in their home. In my home, I didn't smell anything, like absolutely 0 fragrance. So you just never know. But this one is a light, pretty fragrance, but it performs really well. So if you do like florals, if you like Luna, you're going to like this. If you liked, what other? I'm trying to see, because I'm not really a floral person. I'm more fruity, fresh, and masculine fragrances. But I'm trying to see what I could compare this to. Yeah, it's not going to be strong like Peony and Petals. I have a few bars of that. I think I kind of like got sick on that bar for some reason. I was warming it so much, and then I went to go warm it like maybe 2 weeks ago, and I just couldn't do it. I was like, I don't like this fragrance anymore, which is weird. But sometimes your scent palette changes. So I'm trying to see what I could see of what we have as far as florals that you could possibly compare it with. Now, some of you did get a sample already, so if you did get your sample, it's a sticker sample, let me know how you loved it. But I really like it. It's light. I don't get much pear. I do get a floral note, but it's not a heavy floral. It's just subtle and it's cozy, and I just enjoyed this bar. So Pink Peony and Pear is going to be available February 1st at 2 a.m. Central. So I do have pre-orders available for this or any product that you need. I'm also looking for some hostesses that want some free and half off Scentsy in the month of February. I do all the work. You sit on your cozy couch and you and your friends learn more about wax and warmers. So if you want to do that, let me know. But this is the warmer. Very, very pretty. Like I said, I will post some pictures in the comments below. And if this is the warmer that you may want to style your home with, let me know. I can help you bundle this warmer with 6 fragrance bars and you can save 10%. So there you have it. Just wanted to come on, show my face, spend a little time with you all. And if you have any questions about Scentsy, please don't hesitate. I appreciate all my customers and I appreciate the referrals. I reward for new customers and new team members. And talking about team members, today and tomorrow is the last day that you could come in for $49 and get $200 worth of product absolutely for free that you can turn around and sell for full 100% commission, or you can use it for yourself. So I have seen some of the kits that have been floating around. They're all different. They're all unique. And I think they're great. They're great kits. It gives you a little foot in the door. And now if you want to come in at 19, you can. You're just going to get less. You won't get the $200 worth of product. If you want to come in for 99, that's also available too. So we have a lot of options here at Scentsy. So thank you. Stay scented, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.